Welcome to our tutorial on how to use Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this guide is for you. Adobe Photoshop is a powerful tool for creating and editing images, and with a little practice, you can master it in no time. First, let's get started by opening Adobe Photoshop. Once it's open, you'll see the workspace, which consists of the menu bar, tools panel, and various windows. Familiarize yourself with the interface, as this will be your main area of work. The menu bar at the top provides access to different functions. Here you can find options for file management, editing, image adjustments, and more. It's important to explore these menus to understand the full range of capabilities Photoshop offers. The Tools panel on the left contains essential tools for editing. These tools include the Move tool, Brush tool, Eraser tool, and many others. Each tool has its own unique function and can be customized to suit your needs. On the right, you have the Layers panel, which helps manage different elements of your project. Layers are a core feature of Photoshop, allowing you to work on different parts of an image separately without affecting the rest of the project. Let's explore some basic tools. The Move tool allows you to move objects within your project. Simply select the tool and click and drag the object to the desired location. This tool is essential for arranging elements in your composition. The Brush tool is perfect for painting and adding artistic touches to your images. You can adjust the size, hardness, and opacity of the brush to achieve different effects. Experiment with different brush settings to see what works best for your project. The Eraser tool helps you remove unwanted parts of an image. Like the Brush tool, you can adjust the size and hardness of the eraser to control how much of the image is removed. This tool is useful for cleaning up edges and refining details. Layers are a core feature of Photoshop. They allow you to work on different parts of an image separately without affecting the rest of the project. You can add new layers by clicking the New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Rename layers for better organization and drag them up or down to arrange their order. This helps keep your project organized and makes it easier to find and edit specific elements. Enhance your images using filters and effects. Filters can be found in the Filter menu at the top of the screen. There are many different filters to choose from, each with its own unique effect. Experiment with different filters to see how they can enhance your images. One popular filter is the Gaussian blur. This filter softens the edges of an image and can be used to create a dreamy, out-of-focus effect. To apply the Gaussian blur, go to the Filter menu, select Blur, and then Gaussian blur. Adjust the settings to see the change. Save your work frequently to avoid losing any progress. You can save your project as a PSD file to keep all layers intact, or export it as a JPEG for a final image. To save your project, go to the File menu and select Save As. Choose the desired file format and location and click Save. To recap, we covered getting started, understanding the interface, basic tools, working with layers, applying filters, and saving your project. With these basics, you're ready to start creating in Adobe Photoshop? Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Photoshop, the more comfortable you'll become with its features and tools. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The possibilities are endless. If you ever get stuck or need help, there are plenty of resources available online. You can find tutorials, forums, and communities where you can ask questions and get advice from other Photoshop users. Don't hesitate to seek out help if you need it. In addition to the basic tools and features we've covered, Photoshop also offers advanced tools for more complex editing tasks. These include tools for retouching, compositing, and creating special effects. As you become more comfortable with the basics, you can start exploring these advanced tools to take your projects to the next level. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to use Adobe Photoshop. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy editing!